Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best bubble-blowing baby doll is probably one of the most enchanting and interactive toys you can get for your little ones, designed to bring endless giggles and imaginative play right into your living room, offering a delightful experience that mimics real-life nurturing with a touch of magical, bubbly fun that captivates children and provides hours of entertainment. Number 5. ArtCreativity Bubble Lawn Mower for Toddlers. Get ready for bubbly fun with this amazing toy. It's a lawn mower that also works as a bubble machine, perfect for hours of entertainment. Just add batteries and watch the bubbles fly. This toy does more than just blow bubbles, it also makes realistic sound effects for even more fun. The gear sounds on the wheels add to the excitement as they push it around, keeping them happily busy indoors or out. We know kids play hard, so this toy is made from durable plastic to last. It's also easy to put together and the handle can be removed for simple storage. Looking for a great gift for a birthday or holiday? This bubble-blowing push mower is a fantastic choice. It's sure to bring a smile to any toddler's face. This toy isn't just fun, it helps little ones develop important skills. They can improve their motor skills by chasing bubbles and visual tracking as they watch them float away. What we like? This toy offers a complete outdoor play experience with realistic sounds and bubble-blowing action. If you are looking for a way to encourage active play and imagination in toddlers, this is a great choice. It's perfect for little ones who love to mimic adult activities and enjoy sensory play. What people say. Easy to put together. Purchased for 2-year-old girl. It is the perfect size for her to easily push and the battery-activated motor makes continuous bubbles. She can easily operate the on-off button. Perfect height for my just-turned 3-year-old. She's tall for her age, 90th percentile, and it still fit her great. Comes with 3 containers of bubble solution right out of the box. Incredibly easy to assemble, my 7-year-old put it together in under a minute with no help. Works really well. Bubbles come out quickly and consistently, no jams or delays. Number 4. Kindi Kids Bonni Bubbles Bubble and Sing Doll. Meet Bonni Bubbles, the adorable Kindi Kids doll. She's ready to bring endless fun and bubbly surprises into your playtime. Watch in amazement as she blows hundreds of ice cream-scented bubbles. It's a magical experience that will delight your senses. She doesn't just blow bubbles, she giggles and sings her very own happy bubble song. Join in the fun and sing along with her. Feed her with her special feeding bottle, and she'll be ready to blow even more bubbles. It's interactive play that encourages imagination. You can even blow bubbles with her using your very own bubble wand. It's a wonderful way to share the joy and create lasting memories. And for worry-free fun, she includes an indoor, mess-free mode. Enjoy bubble-blowing adventures anytime, anywhere. What we like? This doll brings interactive fun with singing and scented bubbles, making playtime magical. If you want a toy that combines imaginative play with sensory elements for younger children, this is ideal. It's perfect for kids who enjoy dolls and engaging with their toys through feeding and singing. What people say. She's a cutie doll and the bubbles are so fun. Super cute idea and a perfect gift for kids. She loves this doll. This doll sings and blows bubbles. It comes with the batteries and has several accessories. Number 3. Ultimate Slime Kit for Girls. Looking for the perfect activity kit? This Ultimate Slime Kit offers endless fun for kids aged 7 to 12. It's packed with everything you need to create amazing slime creations. With over 50 different slime supplies, including vibrant colors, glitter, and unique beads, this kit will keep children entertained for hours. It's the ultimate way to get messy and creative. Voted a bestseller since 2019, this kit is perfect for birthdays, parties, or just a fun afternoon. It's an ideal gift for girls and boys of all ages, fostering creativity and motor skills. Make your slime creations glow. This kit includes glow-in-the-dark features, glitter, and all the mix-ins you need for an instant, dazzling effect. Let your imagination shine. Crafted with eco-friendly and non-toxic materials, our slime is borax-free and ASTM certified, ensuring it's 100% safe for kids and adults. Enjoy worry-free crafting. This kit is more than just a toy, it's a gateway to creativity and a fantastic stress relief activity. It's the perfect gift for any child who loves arts and crafts. What we like? This kit provides an extensive and creative slime-making experience with a glow-in-the-dark feature. If you're looking for a captivating craft activity that keeps kids engaged for hours, this is it. It's perfect for tweens and kids who love DIY projects, sensory play, and unleashing their artistic side. What people say. It kept the 12 and 4-year-old engaged for 2 hours. Very easy to use, not messy. There's tons of glitter and little items that can be added into each slime. Texture of the slime itself I loved, as it wasn't too sticky to where it leaves a huge mess if it was dropped on furniture. Each kid got to pick out a color and then had fun. There were plenty of mix-ins for everyone, we even had lots left over. And it was the party favor they got to take home. Every parent said how fun it was and that this slime wasn't sticky. Much better than making our own. Number 2. Totes Windproof Bubble Umbrella. Introducing the Totes Windproof Bubble Umbrella, designed to keep you dry. Its robust construction withstands strong winds, ensuring reliable protection. Experience superior windproof technology that prevents inversion. This umbrella is built to last, even in challenging weather conditions. The convenient J-hook handle allows for easy carrying. Simply hang it on your arm or a hook when not in use. Enhanced visibility features ensure you are seen by others, increasing safety. Navigate through crowded areas with confidence. Enjoy ample coverage that protects you and your belongings from rain. Its spacious design offers comfort and practicality. Crafted with high-quality materials, this umbrella offers durability and long-lasting performance. It's your perfect companion for rainy days. What we like. This umbrella offers reliable protection from the elements with its sturdy, windproof construction and comfortable handle. If you need a dependable umbrella for everyday use in unpredictable weather, this is a practical choice. It's perfect for adults who value durability, ease of use, and staying dry in style. What people say. The 1970s retro style, clear roomy dome and colorful polka dots will coordinate with the yellow rain slicker with duckies obtained for her dog. This is actually my second time buying this umbrella. I bought it years ago, but unfortunately that umbrella was left wet in the trunk of my car and got a bit stinky and moldy. However, even considering that, this is a lifesaver in windy cities. I absolutely adore this umbrella. It is so cute and the bubble shape keeps me so dry. Plus my BF got it for me because he left my previous one on a bus, lol. Number 1. Kindi Kids Poppi Pearl Bubble and Sing Doll. I can blow hundreds of bubbles that smell like ice cream. It's so much fun to play with me. I love to giggle and sing my special bubble song. You'll love hearing my happy tunes. Give me my feeding bottle and I'll be ready to blow more bubbles. It's a magical way to play. You can even use your own bubble wand to blow bubbles with me. Let's create a bubbly world together. Don't forget to look out for my big sister, Perlina. She's part of the fun too. And guess what? I have an indoor mode so you can play without any mess. Enjoy bubble fun anytime, anywhere. What we like. This doll offers a delightful blend of music, scent, and bubble fun, creating a whimsical play experience. If you are searching for an interactive toy that captivates young children with its singing and bubble-blowing capabilities, this is a wonderful option. It's perfect for little ones who adore dolls and enjoy engaging in imaginative, sensory-rich play. What people say. The doll blows bubbles from its mouth. It has a cute design and is a good size for little hands to hold. The bubble solution is easy to refill. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.